Hi, I'm Madonna. This is Joy. The lower back's been playing up a bit lately, so even with 3 hours of yoga per week and all the exercise and the 6-7 kilos weight loss she's done in the last 6 weeks, there's still a bit of pain. So we'll just sort of once again have a bit of a tweak, and so I'll start face down and then I'll turn her over and I'll do face up, check some of the core muscles like the psoas iliacus, glute medius, glute max. We'll check those when we turn over. Okay, here we go. So firstly, I'm just going to make sure the atlas is in. So this is a process called N.O.T, Neural Organisational Technique. So I'm going to make sure the atlas is correctly centred in the neck. And if it's not, it can cause the sacrum to twist a little bit, which of course is about lower back stability. So the first thing showing up is that the neck is just a little bit out. It's not far. Oh yeah, there it is. Okay, breathe in. And out, and breathe in, and out, breathe in, and out. So it's just a gentle, yeah, that's better. So they feel more even on both sides of the neck now. So I'll see whether the leg length has reset itself. Okay, so that's actually done something different. So by popping the atlas in on the right side, it's now showing up leg shorter on the left, which means there's just an instability in the sacrum in the lower spine. So, what a surprise. That means you're a weirdo. No, not really.
Probably about 30 years since I injured it.
Yeah. And that was both the car accident as well as the fall on the tailbone when someone pulled the chair out from underneath you at college.
I was about 16 then. Maybe
Hold
17.
up for me. That's good.
Car accident when I was pregnant with Carmel.
Yeah, so the left leg is the one actually unlocking as opposed to the right side. So it's this sacrum, this occiput we've got to,
Well, it's
tweak.
probably the left up thing that got the bad.
Yeah, right, okay. So I'm going to do my little mantra. Eyes open, eyes closed, it's dark, eyes open. Eyes open, eyes closed, it's dark, eyes open. So that's just talking to the subconscious. Eyes open, eyes closed, it's dark, eyes open. Eyes open, eyes closed, it's dark, eyes open. Eyes open, eyes closed, it's dark, eyes open. And again, hold, beautiful. And then hand across both hamstrings and hold, beautiful. Okay, so now the ischial tuberosities, they're the little areas in the lower, at the top of the hamstrings, and hold. No, that one's fine. We'll check the tailbone, so we access C3, the tailbone, and hold up for me. Okay, that one's not bad, but it's not quite 100%.
When I'm bugging the tailbone.
Right, so 52 years ago?
He's 53.
53 years ago she injured her tailbone during the birth.
I fell down the steps before the birth, and then I injured
Fell down the
more.
pregnant, and while you were quite pregnant you fell down the stairs.
About 5 or 6 of them with the basket of clothes in my arms, but I didn't spill the washing.
Wow.
And then
Well done, it's like an Aussie girl not spilling a beer when they fall down the stairs.
Yeah. Any time I've
And hold.
fallen over with bottles of wine, I may have got bugged knees, but I never broke the frigging wine.
It actually happened in one of the seasons of The Bachelorette in Australia. So one of the Aussie chickie babes, she actually tripped, because of course they always wear those long gowns that no one ever really wears in real life very often. And she's wearing a long gown, she's walking in to see the 30 guys who are in there wanting to date her. And she trips and she slides over and she doesn't spill. And one of the guys mentioned she's a good Aussie girl. Always amusing, can't take these things too seriously. So the tailbone was jamming the sphenoid bone, and now I'm going to see whether it's also jamming the jaw.
Stop me talking.
Hold. Yeah, right. It is actually going all the way down to the jaw. So there's a bit of stress going on in Joy's family at the moment, so that clenching the jaw, grinding the teeth is part of the body's, they're called defensive jaw and stress jaw in N.O.T, Neural Organisational Techniques, so there might be something going on there. And hold. And because so little needs to be done at the moment to tweak to make the lower back in pain. You know, something's just on the edge. It's like it's ready to pop all the time. So it's like the nervous system at the moment is just ready to, you know, hold tight and trying to protect it, but then it, you know, pulls on the nerves and we end up in pain. So that's the tailbone issue or tuberosities. Hold. No, they're okay. So they're the spinal respiratory fault. This one's called cardiac back. That one's good. This is just one of my checks for scoliosis. Someone made a smarty pants comment the other day going, oh gee, there was a, you know, a full-on check for scoliosis. And I'm going, well, this isn't the only way I check scoliosis. It is one way I check scoliosis.
Have I got it?
No, it's not showing up. It's not showing up in this test.
Oh.
I'll make sure the neck and the ischial tuberosities are communicating. And hold. Yes, they are. Okay, so turning over for me. Actually, because it's just so on the edge of, you know, falling out at the moment, I might actually do the jaw and the hip stuff because I think it's been a while since we've done that. So what I need to do first, hold the leg out. This is glute medius. Hold. No, that's not working. Hold the leg out. Don't let me pull in.
Oh.
Right. So neither of the glute medius muscles are working properly. So they're both unlocking. In Chinese medicine, they relate to the circulation of the sex organ meridian, so the pericardium. So circ sex. So I'm also going to check the glutes, which is also about that same meridian. Hold the leg up for me.
Oh.
No. And hold up for me. No. So none of them are optimal. So we'll pick them up first because you can't actually check the jaw within this circuitry unless we've got those muscles up and running. So we'll get the glute medius and glute maximus, get them stronger. So this is just good old touch for health. Technique just helping to pick up the energy going to those muscles. This is the meridian. So that's called flushing the meridian.
The meridians, those things Jimmy's got on his bridge.
They're chakras. So Jimmy's a doctor and he actually has chakras on the bridge going into his house, which is really cute. And hold out for me. That's better. Hold out for me. That's good. Hold up, don't let me push down. Hold up, don't let me push down. So all of those are locking now. So now I can check your jaw. So I'm going to get you to put 2 fingers either side of the jaw.
In which exact place?
No, that's perfect. So because we've got the leg muscles working now I'm going to check the muscle again. Hold out for me, don't let me pull in. Okay, that's unlocking, which means that the jaw, so I'm using this as an indicator muscle, and the jaw is creating a stress because there's an unlock. So I'm basically going to use my little finger cots. It's been a while since I've done this, hasn't it?
Yes.
Since you look at me with, oh my God, what are you going to do to me?
I know you're going to shove your fingers in my mouth and hope that I don't bite you.
So, open the mouth. So just in the bottom, and it's like a wiggle for 10 to 15 seconds. Okay, so we just go, yeah, life is good, life is good, life is good. Life is good, life is good. A little bit of stress, a little bit of pain.
On this side.
Okay. So sometimes when the mandible is out, it's not really bad. So sometimes if you actually check it with the pubic bone, it can show that the whole jaw condyle is out, but it's not really showing. But I'll just gently give them a tweak anyway. Yeah, right.
Ugh.
Which just lets me know how tight they are. So once again, 2 fingers either side of the jaw. And again, hold the leg out. Beautiful. So that's locking nicely. Next one, 2 thumbs up on the roof of the mouth.
Do I have to do it on the roof of the mouth where my false teeth is?
Yeah, that'll be fine. And hold out for me.